citizen who rejects his slavery, categorically denouncing the foreign-funded regime change. I am Imran Khan and I am Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Allahu Akbar.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल है?
मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ, आप कैसी हैं?
अल्लाह का शुक्र है, मैं भी ठीक हूँ। आज आप इमरान खान के जलसे में किस लिए आई हैं?
I am here to support him. Assalamu alaikum Islamabad, my proud and courageous Pakistanis. For the past weeks, the country we love so dearly and take pride in is being conspired against to the point its very existence is in danger. In all this chaos, uncertainty and hopelessness, one man, Imran Khan, stood firmly against all odds and took it upon himself to expose all those actors and foreign agents who were and still are destabilizing and conspiring against the very fabric of our freedom and sovereignty of Pakistan. Imran Khan knocked on the doors of every institution which he thought would resonate the same concern and take necessary steps to stop this plot. But they all turned a blind eye and made him the target. Pointing in one direction, the heads of concerned institutions have not just sold their souls for some dollars and favors, but are also part of the sinister regime change funded by their foreign masters. I have a message for all those thugs and corrupt individuals. Pakistani nation is not for sale and we will resist any attempt or misdemeanor, risking our freedom and sovereignty of Pakistan, and those foreign funded agents will not succeed in this scheme. And the more force you will apply, the more we will resist and the more stronger we will get. I am taking stand with Imran Khan and his resolve, along with every citizen who rejects his slavery, categorically denouncing the foreign-funded regime change. I am Imran Khan and I am Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Allahu Akbar.
पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।